Today we're going to be making healthy avocado black bean brownies. First, you will need 1 can of black beans rinsed and dried. Next, you will need 2 eggs. Next, you will need half of a large ripe avocado. Next, you will need 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Next, you will need half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder plus 1 tablespoon. Next, you will need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, you will need 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now you will need 1/4 teaspoon salt. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, you will need 2/3 cup coconut sugar or brown sugar. Lastly, you will need 1/3 cup chocolate chips plus 2 tablespoons for topping. Now it is time to blend the ingredients. Madeira, say hi to the wellness class. Madeira, say hi to the classroom. Dear. She doesn't want to say hi. Hey. There's JD. There's. Yeah. Now me and JD are going to try one. Those are delicious.